once again, welcome to my vlog for today and welcome to my channels once again. And of course, it's me, Sus Vlog channel. So I just like to share a beautiful video again on my vlog for today. And this is one of the biggest lake here in Moscow, and I hope you enjoy watching, guys. See you. We are in another city of Moscow, guys. You see my bus are there and grandma is there. This is the beautiful green trees around the side of the river. It's very beautiful. It's another very big park here in Moscow, near on the river. Say hi, Tatyan. Philip, say hello. I'm a souvenir. Hello, Grandma. What is that, Tatyan? It's like church or it's metro? What is that?
Cinema.
А, cinema. Да, очень красиво, бабушка.
Сьюзен, мы шли показывать набережную.
Big. How to say that one? River Lake. Huh? What?
Это же Волга, да?
Волга.
Волга. А, Волга River.
Дань, переведи, пожалуйста, ей, что Волга начинается на широкости, поэтому она здесь узенькая. А это, кстати говоря, вот не смешно.
Volga is a very big and long river.
Yeah, I
Start
understand.
from here.
Ага.
In
It's very
Завидово,
small here.
we have Volga too.
А в Ульяновске, у меня клиентка живет в Ульяновске, у нее Волга там видно другого берега. Я говорю,
Ang laki, guys. Ang lawak. Namangha naman ako dito. Ganito dito sa Moscow, guys. Walang seawater, pero karamihan dito. Karamihan is the very big lake that I've been seen in my entire life. Mayroon naman mga river sa ibang ano, but in Moscow, in the history, there are many. I don't know where exactly we're going, but yeah. This is the slightly here in the... At ang ganda pa, guys, kasi alam niyo kung bakit. There are many big trees, green. I think ang ganda mag-ano dito pag during autumn season kasi yung mga green trees na yan, mag-ano siya, mag-golden yellow na tinatawag. So, napaka-ano, refreshing kung magpunta kayo dito. Yung na-stress ka sa work mo, tapos makikakita ka ng ganitong ano, surrounding. Di ba? Ang ganda ng pakiramdam. Medyo uulan siya kasi it's a little bit dark on the side. Tingnan naman ang amo. Napakasimple.
а по песочку можно его покорить? Нет, вот здесь.
This is good if it's good sky, but it's still into the rain. Ooh, green. Uy, there's car, Tatyan. What are we going to do? But the weather is not so perfect, guys. It's going to be rain very soon. You see the sky.
India.
Ah,
From
so that's
here.
why it look like Indian.
No, it's Russian boy.
It's Russian boy. So
First Russian boy who come in India on the boat from this place.
I see. It's nice. Look. There's a Russian church right behind.
Yeah,
It's very big. Oh, there's many ducks. That is duck, right?
Yeah.